should be present. Find my independence. Breathing, doing this on my own. Then I start to remember just why I surrendered. Felt so good that I can't let go. Deceive me, make me think that I need more from you than you will give out. Why can't I just listen? I create my prison. I'm chained by my own heart and mind. And I'm back to where I was again. Take you in. Take me out, cut this string, I'm getting higher and I can't seem to calm down. Tell me, how can I wait? Tell me, how can I take a chance on it all? Cut this string, I'm getting higher and I can't seem to calm down.
you